welcome back to my channel, Candy Perler Bead. How's everyone doing lately? I miss you guys so much, and I haven't been posting my tutorial with my myself lately because I've been doing like different things. I'm taking like coding classes. I'm making more like 3D perlers patterns for my Etsy store. Like this one is recently designed it, the Yoshi. This one is very giant. If you check out my shorts or on my Instagram, you would have noticed the videos that I how to put it together. So this one consists like 14,000 beads, and then it takes about like 208 pieces to put it all together, but no glue is needed. So it's very challenging sometimes. When I design the pattern, I add a little bit challenge to make it more fun. So hopefully you can check it out, my pattern on my Etsy store. Also designed this one lately, the little rocket. It's not little, this one's kind of big. Look, it's like my face big, right? This one is pretty cool as well. Like you can take out like the pieces, so you can change it to different color, and then like we're assembling it, and then the bottom can take it out as well. Oops, breaking it apart. Yeah, so I like to make things more like fun and challenging sometimes, like, or you can have other options to the color. You can change it up, so it's really up to you. So the pattern is also on my Etsy store. Go check it out if you want to build this little cute rocket. So today, as you know, you can see it in the thumbnail that our tutorial today is not Yoshi, but let me move this away really quick. Yay! As you can see, I have my melody and sweet piano here today. Yay! So long time ago, I already did the tutorial for my melody. So today I'm gonna show you how to build a sweet piano. If you haven't built this one, don't worry. I'm gonna add the tutorial at the end of this one after sweet piano, so you can have both together. Remember this house? If you follow me from a long time ago, I built this one for like a couple years ago. This is like a door house, and as I can remember, I think I can open the top. Yeah. Yay! So you kind of can open the top, and then like inside you can also build some furniture, and then do my melody and sweet piano like the mini size, and then put them in here. And if you have kids or you really like dollhouse, so you can put them in here, and then like it's a great gift, or like for your display. It's super cute. So if you want to build this door house, I'm gonna put the link down below, or like up here maybe, so you can go check this one out as well. Actually lately I found this little display from Target. It's super cute. Yeah, so I think I'm gonna paint it different color because I personally love pink. Yeah, so maybe I'll paint it to pink, and then we'll see how it looks. So if you're new to my channel, don't forget to click the subscribe button and the bell so you won't miss any new tutorial or video that I post, and even shorts. I post a lot of shorts video on this channel, so I hope you don't miss out all the good stuff, right? And if you're already following my channel and subscribe, thank you so much for all your support. You can also check out my posts on my Instagram, TikTok, Pinterest, and my pattern on my Etsy store. Yeah, I'll put the link down below so you can check them out. Alright, so let's get started with today's tutorial. Yay!
If you haven't subscribed my channel, please do so by clicking the button and hit the bell so you will get alert for new videos. Alright, so let's get started with the head. It's pretty easy. So layer pieces like this, and we're gonna get started. Alright, so I'm gonna go with this one first. So you can see this one has 2 beads. This one only has 1, so this one will be facing forward. And then these two, they're the same, so just go to the side. Yep, just like so on one. And I'm gonna pop this one to the back because we're doing 3 connectors at the same time, so sometimes it might be a little bit challenging, but this looks good so far. So I'm gonna push all the way in. Yep, so just leaving the beads for one left. So just like so, looking good. All right, so from here we're gonna add these two. This one first. All right, and then one more of this one. These two both have legs right here, so it's like an extra beat, different from this one. Alrighty, looking good. All right, so I'm gonna add this one to the back. Yep, we got it in. All right, so I'm gonna use this one to go on this side first. Yep, this is on one side, and then this one goes to the other side, just like so. The reason why is because we have to lay this one onto the back. So this one goes from here. Yep, so this one we can lock in place from here. And then so we're almost done here, adding this piece onto the back. And then one more. Yep, just like so. And then on the top, this one goes first, and then this one goes second. All right, looking good. And then let's close these two sides, one on this side and then one on this side. So much easier. And then this goes to the bottom. Yep, like that. And then on this one onto the top. Yay! So now we have Sweet Piano's head. Let's build the body. Let's get started with the body. So you can see it's super easy to build. So this one goes here, and then this one goes here. And then we're gonna pop this one to the front and push it there. Yep, looking good. And then this one will go like here. The white beads goes under. All right, so we have the front, and let's add this one on here. Yep, just like so. And this one, it goes pretty quick. Yep, just like so. We're almost there. All right, last piece to the back. And then, so these two legs, it might be very loose because it's not together. So I will apply a little bit glue, like just a little bit. Oops. Looks like a lot. And then just slowly place it so it doesn't look like it's gonna show up. So just a little dot right here is strong enough to hold the beads. Yep, we got it done. All right, so let's bring the head back right here and then add it to the top. Yay, we got Sweet Piano done. If you're gonna make this one, tag me on Instagram for a special shout out. And if you want to build my melody, keep watching and I'll show you how to build my melody. All right, let's get started with my melody's head. This one is pretty easy, so I'm gonna use this one with the first connector, and then connect this one on the second piece, and then insert these two on the side first. Yep, just like so. And then let's push them until we only have beads for this one right here. All right, so looking good. And we're gonna flip over and we're gonna start adding these onto the top. Yep, this one. And then the next one. It's pretty easy, right? My melody and Sweet Piano, these two are super easy. So I really like that design. The designer did a really great job to make it so simple and easy to build. Yep, one more. Yay, we got it done. So let's go to the bottom and add this piece right here. just like so, and then these two on the side. Yep, and then this one. Alright, so we got it done. Sometimes I'll flip a little bit if it doesn't look that flat. Alright, it's about the same. Alright, so let's build the body. Alright, so let's build the body. Super easy. So this one goes to the center, and then these two goes to the side. I think it should go this way. I hope. Let's see. Yeah, that's correct. Okay, so I'm adding this connector to the back. Yep, just like so. And then we start building on top of this. Oops. Yep, this one, and then pretty easy for the body, right? Last piece right here. And then coming back, also the leg, I will add a little bit. Alright, so pop a little bit hot glue right here, and then cover this with the foot, and then also on the other side, just a little bit, because if you put too much, it might be showing, so it's not so good. Alright, so we got the body done. Let's bring back the head, super cute. Yay! So now we have both my melody and sweet piano. Super cute. So if you use this tutorial and make these and tag me on Instagram, and I will give you a special shout out. And stay tuned for more awesome tutorial. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye! Thank you so much for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, like, comment, and share. Thank you!